Okay, this is the first video we'll be describing the cube itself. So there's 6 faces to the cube. There's the top, which is the white side usually in the beginner's method. There's the bottom, which is opposite of the white side, which is yellow. There's also 2 sides. There's the blue and the green side, which are opposite of each other. And there's the red and the orange side that are opposite of each other. So each of the pieces in the middle, there's 6 of them, they never move. These pieces are static. They're not allowed to rotate. You can try as hard as you want, but they never rotate. And if you bust up your cube, maybe you break it, they'll move, but they're supposed to remain immutable. So those sides are static. Every other piece besides those ones do move though. So those are the ones that we want to move in a sequential fashion from bottom up solution. So basically we're going to go through each of these steps one by one now that we know what sides move, which sides are immutable. And we know that we're going to start with the white side up. So we're going to do the cross, which is the white cross. Then we'll follow that by the white corners. That'll be followed by the side pieces for the first 2 layers being solved. Next we'll go through the yellow side, which will be a yellow cross, followed by the yellow corners. And then we'll do the permutations of the last layer, which is the yellow corner pieces matching as well as the yellow side pieces matching. So we'll go through each of these step by step, real slow, and I want you to master each step one by one. Just take your time, just go real slow and progress at your natural progression. I will do my best to give you an intuitive sense of what's going on. So basically, fundamentally, what you want to do is closely observe the cube. Closely observe the rules and what occurs when you move the cube. Not just the top pieces that you can see, but the bottom pieces that you don't see. And you'll see what I mean as we go through each of the movements in more detail. So stay tuned, keep at it. Take your time, don't press yourself to learn too fast. And I'll see you in the next video.